My dear student, in this session we are going to solving NEET 2026 remaining problem. My name is Kalees and handling NEET JEE Chemistry classes through online mode. We will discuss the problem one by one, my dear students. This is the noted as question number 75. Identify the correct statement. This is the question they had asked. So the correct statement is asked. We discuss one by one. A, the option A, the molality is asked. So the second question they are asking molarity. We have to check by one. For molality, Lity. In this case, we are doing this problem by using this formula: weight of the solute divided by molecular weight of the solute into volume of the solvent, particularly benzene here. Here benzene is the solvent. So I am adding the values. 2.5 gram is given. Molecular weight is given as 60 and solvent weight in gram. That is benzene. Its value is found to be 75. By doing this calculation, I may get the value 0.556. Okay, 0.556. Okay, so the correct statement, we have to identify the correct statement. Option A is correct. And next one, molarity. They are asking molarity. In this case, I am substituting this value. It is given as weight of the solute is given as 5 and the molecular weight of the solute is found to be 40,000 divided by volume of the solution in ml. They had given here 450 ml. On solving this problem, we are getting the value as 2.78 value. So it is denoted as capital M. Molarity, it is denoted by capital M. The value is found to be 0.278. Okay, here also same. So molarity, this also same. Okay, so this one is correct and this one is correct. And the third one, aquatic species are more comfortable in cold water. Cold water means low temperature, right? Low temperature, very important. So warm water, you may have a rise in temperature. So aquatic species are more comfortable in cold water. How we can identify, how we can correct the statement? Yes, we go through Henry law. So Henry law states that pressure, okay, in pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction. Okay, partial pressure of the gas is directly proportional to mole fraction. Mole fraction can be taken as solubility. Mole fraction can be taken as solubility. It can be taken as solubility. So KH is called as Henry law constant. It is inverse relationship with the solubility. So inverse relationship with the solubility, Henry law constant, it is inverse relationship with the solubility. So the word is given, the solubility of the gases increases with the decrease of temperature. This is the important word. The solubility of the gases increases with the decrease of temperature. Okay, so the aquatic species more comfortable in cold water because lowest temperature, decrease of temperature. It is given in the page number NCERT. The page number is given 12th standard. Okay, so C statement is also correct. C statement is also correct. And fourth statement, D option, they are giving, what is the option? The solubility of the gases increases with the decrease in pressure. No, it is absolutely wrong. So how it is identified? How can prove this one? Yes, note this diagram, my dear students. Here the weight is given. It is low pressure. It indicates the pressure value is low pressure. Okay, here high pressure is applied. Whenever you are noticing this picture, you can easily identify which one have higher pressure. This one is having higher pressure. Whenever increasing pressure, more and more here the blue dots, more and more solid particle diffuses into the solvent. What will happen? The solubility increases. So higher pressure can cause increase in solubility. This is the idea. So the option given that one is incorrect. So tick this, that one. And also mole fraction formula, this is the formula A, but E, this is the formula for mole fraction, but the given option is incorrect. Here XB, they had given NA. In case of XB, you must have NB divided by NA plus NB. This is the correct one. Okay, so on the basis of discussing this question, D and E are incorrect statements. So correct statements are found to be 1, A, B, C only. Clear? We will switch over to next question, my dear student. Listen carefully. My name is Kalees, handling NEET and JEE Chemistry classes through online mode. This is my number. If you like my classes, kindly subscribe my channel and support. Okay, here identify the incorrect statement from the following. So the largest and smallest species among Mg2 plus, Al3 plus, which are the largest species is given as aluminium, smallest species is given as magnesium 2 plus. We have to check. Okay, so magnesium, it is present in the alkaline earth metal. Okay, atomic number Mg 12. 13 is the aluminium. Okay, whenever we are moving in the periodic table, you just imagine periodic table, whenever we are moving left to right in the periodic table, what will happen? Electrons are ordered in the same subset. The net result is atomic radius decreases. Yes, my dear student, atomic radius decreases. So magnesium will be the bigger in size, aluminum is one smaller in size. So I am writing this one, Mg is greater in size than aluminum. Next we go to discuss about Mg2 plus and Al3 plus. See that similarity, both are isoelectronic with each other. Number of electrons will be same, but the charge, greater charge possessed by aluminium, the charge contribution done by aluminium is higher, so it possesses greater charge. Effectively pull the electron towards itself, its net result is atomic size decreases. So Al3 plus is smallest size because of higher charges, effective nuclear charges. Al3 plus is smaller size. Right, my dear students? So here I am writing that Mg2 plus Al3 plus. Okay, so Mg is the greater size is greater. Here it is smaller in size. But what is the option they had given? Absolutely wrong. Okay. So IPA is the name of the element with atomic number 1. 1 stands for, as per the IPAC nomenclature, 1 stands for UN. Yes, you know that very well. 0 stands for, yes, 0 stands for NIL. Okay, 0 stands for NIL. Okay, so 7, ultimately 7 sept. Okay, my dear students, IUM is the prefix. Sorry, IUM is the suffix. Okay, so you may get the name unyl septium. This one is correct. And also similarity in behavior of lithium and magnesium is referred as diagonal relationship. This is absolutely right. Okay, this is correct. Okay, we have to check. Okay, this is the first group and the second group. What is the relationship? Diagonal relationship. Lithium may have the characteristics property. The property of lithium, sometimes that is exactly atomic size, ionic size, which is almost similar that of magnesium. Similarly, beryllium may have diagonal relationship. Remarkable property may be closer. Okay, the properties will be similar. Similarly, boron and silicon may have the same properties. That is, the property is found to be same. That is called a diagonal relationship. Okay, so third option is also right. And also the aluminium, it goes to exhibit. What is the oxidation state exhibiting? It goes to exhibiting 3, and Covalence is found to be 6. We have to check. Okay, what is the complex they had given? Yes, my dear student, what is the complex they had given? I am writing here. Aluminium. Finding aluminium. We are going to finding aluminium. H2O 5 times Cl. It is given as 2 plus. Finding the oxidation state. Yes, aluminium is said to be putting X. Okay, aqua ligand, its charge is neutral ligand, its value found to be 0. Chlorine, 1 chlorine minus 1 value, and 2 plus will be present after the equal to. Okay, so 2. So what we have, X is equal to ultimately plus 3. This is the aluminium oxidation state is found to be plus 3. Okay, next we go to covalency. What is covalency? Covalency is nothing but, my dear student, listen carefully. Covalency is nothing but number of covalent bond plus coordinate bond. Okay, coordinate bond, dative bond. Okay, we have to check. So aluminium, in this case, this is the atomic number of aluminium 13. Its electronic configuration 3s2 3p1. Ground state you may have 3s2 3p1. Excited state you may have 3s1 3p2. So 3 unpaired electron, it is available for covalent bond. 3 unpaired electron, odd electron available for 3 electron available for covalent bond. Remaining, the main important thing is presence of d orbital. Yes, my dear students, very important. Third period element possessing vacant d orbital. So here you may have a possibility to get dative bond, coordinate bond. So the covalence is found to be 6. Covalence is found to be 6 here. 6. How it is possible? Aluminium I am writing here. Listen carefully. Aluminium I am writing here. Okay, we will discuss. Okay, aluminium. Okay, Cl, H2O. Okay, H2O. H2O. Okay, H2O. 2 plus. So covalence is nothing but what I told just before. I told number of covalent bond and coordinate bond. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So covalency is nothing but number of covalent bond plus coordinate bond. So this statement is correct. Okay. Only one statement is found to be wrong. This is found to be first option. So my name is Kalees. I am handling NEET and JEE classes through online mode. If you like my teaching, kindly connect this number and support my dear students. Subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, my dear student. Bye.